Hello traders, I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to the market review session of September 9th, 2024. So when I first saw the chart at around 7 o'clock, we were around this particular bar at that point, but we had a very strong move to the upside and I was thinking that this momentum will continue and it should get up to the next higher resistance area near the 99 to the 94 area. But prior to that, we already had this 92 line, so I was thinking that we should be able to get up there. So our idea was that we may get rejected at the 80 area around the 10 a.m. bar. We had gapped up quite a lot. So there would be an attempt for the bears to sell it down at least to the 50% of this gap. And that particular gap happened to be at 5438. So I did not want to short before we got down the 5436 level. That was near the high of the Asia session. And then the idea was if 36 breaks down, we will come down towards the close of yesterday. Otherwise, if 36 holds, we will try to get up to the top again to the 80 area. Because this low did not hold, and if we are getting above this, there is a high probability that we will come to this 92 area. So when the market opened, we were waiting for bar 1, bar 2 to happen. I was thinking that till bar number 4 or 6, we will get a sideways movement. But when we saw that bar 3 came down, could not close below the open of the day. Bar 4 came down, could not close below the open of the day. So the bears tried it twice. I went long right around 63 at the close of bar 4. I kept my stop loss below the bar 1's low. And I was targeting the 5180 area, which we finally got. Now, why did we come out of the trade here? First of all, this was one of the targets that we had. Second of all, this was the first leg up. We pulled back. This was the second leg up. We pulled back. And then we had this climactic bar, which was the biggest bar of this particular move. So we gapped up here and then we got a buy climax. So then at that point of time, there will be an attempt by the bears to sell the market, right? So we got the strong bar number 10. I did not sell here because this move was pretty strong. I waited for bar number 10 and 11 to happen, and after that I shorted below bar number 11 right at 6.2, and I was waiting to see if we can get around 20 points from here. We got that 20 points right here. I was still holding to it, but when we started getting up above the high of bar number 22, I exited this particular trade. The other reason for coming out of the trade was this was the first leg down. We pulled back up, second leg down, pulled back up, third leg down. And as soon as we started pulling back up above this candle, I came out of all my contracts here. Now, I was thinking that we will not get above this double top area and maybe we will try to do another time and come down and retest these areas and see if we can make a new extreme. But that did not happen. And then finally, I went long at the close of bar number 25. I again kept the low of bar 1 as my stop loss. And I tried to see if we can get around 20 points from here. So my first profit taking after my entry here was at the 84 line. I was holding on to this contract because this candle was also very strong. And I was thinking that the bulls can even get 20 points from top of this, and that will take us to the 89 to the 92 area. And I finally exited when the price came back to 89. Now, what happened after that was we started falling again. This was the first entry short. This was the second entry short. I did not short here still, but I shorted below bar number 50. And I was not very confident about the shorts here because we were getting alternate bull and bear bars. So when I shorted below bar number 50, I took my profit right at the 200 EMA. But I shorted bar number 53 once again at 78. And this time I thought that this may actually take us to the open of the day again. And when we came to the open of the day at 62, I came out. Right after that, we broke down the open of the day and then we had a very strong bull bar. Now, again, I was thinking that the bears will have another chance to bring it down. So I shorted below bar number 66. But when bar number 68 happened, I put my stop loss on top of bar number 68. And when we came down to this area again to the open of the day, I took my profit. I did not take any more trades after that because it was already after 3 p.m. and I did not want to get into any new trades. I normally do not get into any new trades after 3 p.m. And then if you see, we had a nice bounce and maybe we are going to get a 1:1 of this whole move to the upside. We can finally come and stop here at the 5490 area by the time it hits 5 o'clock. So those were the trades of the day. So I will be back with the expectations for tomorrow and the support and resistance areas for tomorrow when I post my next video sometime in the evening today. Now, all these trades that were taken were exactly described in the Discord channel. So if you want to join the Discord channel, the link to that is given in the description below. Along with that, you will also find the link to our Facebook page. You are very welcome to join there. I'll end this video here and I'll see you guys again very soon in the evening. Have a great rest of the afternoon, guys. Bye.